Introducing the 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Rubicon, a marvel of 4x4 engineering that redefines the boundaries of capability and efficiency. Priced at $60,585, this version of the iconic Wrangler comes packed with the off-road prowess of the Rubicon model and the high-efficiency performance of a hybrid system. The model is further enhanced with a Jeep Performance Parts 2-inch lift kit, designed to elevate the Wrangler's ground clearance and off-road performance. This lifted hybrid Wrangler promises to be the most competent variant ever built, offering an unmissable fusion of ruggedness and economy. Under the hood, the Jeep Wrangler 4xe Rubicon carries a 2-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, delivering 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The powertrain also incorporates an electric motor contributing an additional 134 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The total system output stands impressively at 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. This potent configuration is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, further enhancing the vehicle's overall performance capabilities. Fuel economy is another area where the 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Rubicon shines, delivering a rating of 49 mpge in city driving, 20 mpg on the highway, and a combined rating of 37 mpg. This hybrid Wrangler also boasts a commendable range, with 22 miles on electric power alone and a combined gas and electric range of 370 miles. These figures signify the Wrangler's evolution into a more environmentally friendly and cost-effective off-roading option without sacrificing performance. When it comes to off-road performance, the Jeep Wrangler 4xe Rubicon comes equipped with an array of off-road-ready features. The vehicle boasts a 4x1 low-range transfer case, rock-track 4-wheel drive system, locking front and rear differentials, and robust 33-inch tires. These components ensure the Wrangler maintains its legendary capability on challenging terrains, offering drivers unparalleled confidence in their off-road adventures. The Jeep Performance Parts 2-inch lift kit is a notable addition to the Wrangler 4xe Rubicon. The lift kit enhances the Wrangler's ground clearance by 2 inches, providing increased capability to overcome larger obstacles and rough terrains with ease. It also improves the approach and departure angles, reducing the likelihood of bottoming out on steep hills or obstacles. The enhanced off-road articulation ensures that the Wrangler maintains consistent traction on uneven terrain. The JPP 2-inch lift kit doesn't just add height. It comes with specially tuned Bilstein 46mm monotube shocks with remote reservoirs. These shocks offer unwavering fade-free performance under all conditions, contributing to a more controlled and comfortable ride, irrespective of the terrain. The lift kit installation requires no drive shaft or brake line replacements, meaning an easier fit. Furthermore, it meets all FCA US LLC production standards, assuring that the kit doesn't compromise the safety or durability of the Wrangler. The lift kit adds more than just increased capability. It also offers the Wrangler a more aggressive and rugged look, making it stand out both on and off the road. The added ground clearance allows for larger tires, further enhancing the off-road capabilities of the Wrangler. The improved approach and departure angles, along with increased articulation, make climbing obstacles and navigating challenging terrains a breeze. The 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Rubicon with the JPP 2-inch lift kit brings together exceptional off-road performance, innovative hybrid technology, and remarkable fuel efficiency. This perfect blend makes it a versatile choice for any adventurer. Whether you're cruising city streets, hitting the highway, or tackling the toughest off-road trails, the Wrangler 4xe Rubicon offers an unmatched combination of capability, economy, and boldness. Jeep Performance Parts, a division of Mopar, is taking the extraordinary off-road abilities of the Wrangler and Gladiator models to a new height with the introduction of a newly upgraded 2-inch lift kit. This enhancement is strategically designed to empower the adventurous Jeep enthusiasts who desire to conquer the most rugged terrains. With a more elevated ground clearance and the ability to accommodate larger wheels and tires, this kit provides an amalgamation of capability and functionality that is expected to shake up the 4x4 market. The hallmark of this upgraded lift kit is the inclusion of specially tuned Bilstein 46mm monotube shocks with remote reservoirs. These Bilstein shocks offer consistent fade-free performance in all conditions, ensuring a smoother, more controlled ride even in the toughest environments. The kit's self-adjusting deflective disc valve is another standout feature that reacts instantly to surface changes, enhancing driving control by ensuring optimal responsiveness in fluctuating terrains. The remote reservoirs of the Bilstein shocks, a distinguishing feature, increase oil capacity for greater heat dissipation, contributing to a longer lifespan for the shocks. The unique swivel banjo fitting enables a 360-degree rotation of the flex hose for direct fitment while protecting the reservoir oil line from contact. Plus, the bolt-on design of the JPP lift kit makes it effortlessly installable in stock mounting locations without the need for additional drilling. The new lift kit comes complete with 4 springs, 4 Bilstein shocks with remote reservoirs, front lower control arms, front and rear stabilizer links, front and rear bump stops, assorted fasteners, and a JPP badge. Neatly packed in a custom reusable wooden crate adorned with the JPP logo, the kit allows for a visual experience that aligns with Jeep's rugged aesthetic and attention to detail. In conclusion, the new JPP 2-inch lift kit is a highly innovative offering that adds substantial value to 2018 model year and newer Jeep Wranglers and 2020 model year and newer Jeep Gladiators. Retailing at $2,095, it is expected to make a significant impact in the market, underscoring Jeep's commitment to bringing advanced capabilities and enhanced experiences to its customers. Jeep's legendary 4x4 capability, bolstered by these new upgrades, continues to set the brand apart as a leader in the industry, catering to enthusiasts who crave the thrill of off-road exploration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.